Hi everyone, this is Stephen from the Sync365 team. Today we're going to have a look at the Sync365 web portal. The web portal is something that you sign up to when you create your account. It's personal to you, only you have access to it, of course, unless you give someone your username and password. The web portal allows you to do pretty much what you can do from the desktop software. So if you're out at an internet cafe, need to view, edit or change, download, or you're at a friend's house, you want to show them something, you can log into your web portal. There's two ways of getting to it. If you're on your local computer, you would simply click on your folder and you would select web portal. That will just automatically take you to the web portal and automatically log you in. If you was at a friend's house, there's two ways to get to it. You can either type in your domain.sync365.co.uk, or the other option is you can go to the Sync365 website. You'll have to excuse our internet today, it's running slightly slow even though we've got 100 meg bang into the office. And we click on sign in. And we just log into there. If you're a business person and you want to do the administration stuff, it's everything you need is there. So let's log into our portal. Let's just make sure I've got that right. And there we go. So this is what we see when we log in. Recently updated files. So this tells us that any files that have been working on wherever, whether it's on our mobile device, whether it's on our Mac, PC, wherever any connected account's been working on updating files, will show you there. Recently updated files are there. We've got the software that you can download for the Windows, tells you which versions. It will also tell you like if you've signed up to the Sync365 folder, it'll tell you how much space, files, everything you really need to know in a nice little sort of friendly dash that's going on there. We have got latest blogs that we could put on there, but we've not synced into that at the moment. The folder is basically, if you was working on there on your local, everything you've got within here will appear across every device, whether it's your mobile device, iPad, Android, and of course your personal web portal. The web portal is the playing field. This is the place where everything is stored and syncs to every device that's connected to it. So you get a nice little view like this. We can do the usual stuff. We can add a folder. Just go through the menu quickly. And if we add a folder here, it will appear across every device. We can upload a folder. Maybe we're at a friend's place. He's got, I don't know, a particular piece of information, picture or whatever. We can click upload and we can upload a file. We've got a music player. Nice, not gone too mad with it, but it'll play your music if you've got something that you want to add into there. We've got a music browser, so if you are working on your web portal and you want to just listen to a bit of music that you streamed, we can just double click on the artist, for example, and there's the music, so we could just play that music. It does exactly that, and it will play it within the music player, and you can create a playlist and so on. An important part of the web portal, if for any reason on any device, whether it's a mobile, iPad, PC, Mac, server, wherever, you've accidentally right-clicked and deleted, for whatever reason it happens, we do give you a nice little place that you can just click on, show deleted files, and as you can see, one of our coders, Dan, he's deleted his software. We can just click on the down arrow and we could just undelete. We could open it, see what's in there before we undelete it. We could check the properties of that folder. That's exactly what that does. We can also show hidden files. That shows you all the, not that anybody uses those, but sometimes if you're a coder or you're working on something and you need to see the down and gritty, we can give you that option as well. Most of the time, most of your work from this. We can also change the view if you're not someone, because each of these drop down menus gives you an option. So we can open the folder, rename the folder, share the folder, move the folder, sorry, delete, properties and download. If you don't fancy that view, maybe you're someone that likes a list view, this tells you when the folders and that were modified. Again, exactly the same. You want to get into a folder, you either just double click and then we go. Just click on backup and where we go. Depending on what view you prefer. Again, sharing something, if you've got I don't know, maybe you've got family photos or whatever, you can just click on that and you can click share. And we can, don't share this item, we can share it publicly. If you remember from the other tutorial when I showed you what the public face was, that shows it within your web portal to anyone that accesses your domain.sync365.co.uk. You'll see a list of folders there that you're sharing publicly. Or of course you can just share it individually. Add a user, put their first name, email address and click add. We send them a nice little email with a secure link and they can view and download that information. Again, you can just remove that person if need be. So you can do pretty much everything you can do from the web browser as you could do with your desktop software and your mobile software. Backup, that takes you into the backup page. So if you have signed up to the folder, you will see the backup side. If you're managing your backups, these are all the stuff that we're backing up at the moment. If you've just signed up to backup only, you will not see the folder. You will only see dashboard, backup, web sharing and so on. You will not see the folder, but if you signed up to the folder, you get both unlimited backup as well as the folder for keeping your work organized. Again, with the backup, just like anything else, just like the folders, we can go in, drill in, and again we can share and view and we can do all sorts with it. So everything you need to see there. On the web sharing front, so we can do that. No one's sharing any folders with us at the moment, but this is where we would see if someone's sharing something with us. We can see everything from there. Account settings tells you the statistics again. You've got, this is where you will change your details. You could put in change up, update, change your password. You could close the account. You could send the email. Everything you need to is there. Applications, you might think, well, I don't need everything, so you could disable, activate. Again, we could just click on activate on that, and there you go, it's active. We could just click disable, and it's done. We can send photos directly to Facebook by clicking install, and then we just quickly log into the Facebook settings, and it'll do everything you need for you. So we're integrating a whole lot, and we're constantly progressing this. Computers that you might be backing up, you could choose to remove these computers. Maybe you're backing up some old computer that you've not got anymore, and you just click remove, and it will be gone. We can just go remove that PC. Yeah, let's get rid of it. We don't need it. And there it goes. It's gone from the system. Again, the software download. There we go there. If you're a Mac, remember, as a Mac, the restore is built in. If you're Windows, because Windows has a bit of a more complex kind of system to it, we've got a restore client. You just click. It's a very, very small client. It's a nice client because you can, quite a bit of functionality there than what you could do if you're restoring from backup. We've got upload settings. You can choose whether you want to use Flash or Java upload. I've not got Java installed, so it's detected already that we haven't got Java installed. And of course the help, like any piece of software, we can check on the service status, we can go to the blog, and then we've got the quick start guide. It just tells you everything you need to know, accessing your backup files, iPhone, iPad, Android, everything you need. FTP, there's also FTP, everything you need to know. So that is the Sync365 web portal. Again, if you've got any questions, you can access the help desk at http://helpdesk.sync365.co.uk, or alternatively email help@sync365.co.uk. Thank you very much for listening. Any questions, let us know.